Hey guys, how y'all doing today? We have 2006 Honda Civic. It's a four-door sedan. We have someone had only have one key, and of course we always recommend to get another key. So she like to get these GM style flip key, and we're gonna program it to the car. We're using the AutoProPad. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, so first we're gonna check what kind of remote that we have for this Honda Civic. So we have here, looking at it's a Civic 2006, and the FCC is right here, N5F S084A, and this is what we found here. So what you could do, type it. So let me go back. I already did type it. So when you go to Key Tool Max, make sure you go here in the remote part, vehicle remote, and then you can type that. I already pre-type it. That's your FCC. Click that, and there you go. That's your FCC. It's a 313 frequency, and we can double check that if you want to see it. This is our tester, and then press this one. Oh well, the key is not working. We're gonna put a battery on that, but that is right. All right, and let's go ahead, get a chip and get a program. All right, so let's press on that one. When you click that, it says the XN wireless remote, which is this blue package, and the GM style is fit perfectly for that. So we're gonna go generate remote, but first we have to open this up and go ahead, put a battery in it. Because this is a wireless, we're gonna get a 2032 battery. All right, let's get that one. All right, so we grab a 2032 battery, insert it this way, facing down like that. Then let's go ahead, put it right here on the coil. Then press generate remote, and this will generate that. The chip will be automatically generated as well because this is a wireless. So you can see it's pretty fast, 73, 76%, 79. And after that, we're gonna program this whole remote to the car. There you go, burn success. Let's go ahead, complete. And let's put it back to the keyhole right here. And then that's should be pretty good. Let's close it. It's not easy to with the one hand, but there you go. And let's check the frequency with this one to make sure we get the right one. Press that. There you go. It's a 300 frequency, so that should be right. The next step we have is gonna duplicate the key. All right, let's get to the Xhorse. All right guys, so we're gonna be duplicating this key with our Xhorse Dolphin. Then first let's go back here. We're gonna find the bidding, which is, we go right here, set find bidding, and let's go to Honda. Let's double check the bidding, how many bidding does it have, so we know we have the right one. So you can see this one is carrying a key, test key HD001, and that's what we have. And this would have 6, see that? 1 to 6 bidding. So we go to Honda. Let's go to Honda. And then let me see, let's go back. It's actually HON 66. That's what it says right here, Alicia HON 66. So let's go to HON 66. We're not smart key, so we're right here. So this is, see, it has a cord. They have a cord, couple of cord here, but the 6 bidding would work too. This is mostly vehicle. Civic will be the same 6 bidding. That's good. Let's press that one, and then it was telling us what kind of clamp that we're going to be using. It says here M2A clamp, M2 clamp A, position 2, the very top. So this is M2. Let's clamp A on top, as you can see right there. Let's go ahead and set this up. Then let's go ahead, let's see, make sure we're not falling. Press OK, and then we're gonna go decode the key, and make sure you have that on the top surface right there. So I'm gonna remove these with the original key we have, make sure it's clean. So we'll read it pretty good. Let's put it on the top right here. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, it's right there. And then once you have it there, let's go continue. Make sure it's tight. Continue. And then this one will be decoding it. Let's see, let's focus. Is decoded. As you can see here, it will say decode success. So press OK. We can just remove this one and go ahead. Let's put the this blanket that we have, same position, top line, and then let's go ahead, cut key, continue. There you go. Alright guys, that's it complete. We go ahead, flip it over, clean it up first. Let's double check what it looks like. It's kind of looks similar there. And then flip it over, same spot. Same spot. And then because we have two sides, cut key, continue. Let's keep going.
This one's really going all the way. Yeah, that's like you had a
Probably, to upgrade even faster. Programming. Alright, so that's good. Let's go ahead and clean it up. Remove it. Let's just take the debris off. Make sure it's brand new looking. Let's go ahead. Just look. As you can see, the old one is pretty worn. It doesn't look the same, but you should turn on the car. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and test it before we actually put it on the remote. As you can see, that's unlocked. This is the original one. Gotta lock it, unlock it. Alright, let's then put the new one that we just cut. Let's go ahead, lock it. It's locked. Perfect, perfect. Unlock it. That's good. So I'm not gonna test it in the ignition, but I know that will work. Alright, this time we're gonna go ahead, program it, install this and program it. Alright guys, so we have it cut key already. We're gonna program it with the AutoProPad. Let's go ahead and try this one. See, it turned on. This one doesn't start, as you can see. Yeah, because this is not programmed yet. Well, we have the original one here, and let's go ahead and program this. First, let's turn on the AutoProPad basic that we have. I'm gonna go ahead, put the original one in the ignition. Just turn it on position, not start. And let's go ahead, go to Honda. Let's go find a Honda. I think it's somewhere here. I already saw it. It's about to bite me. Didn't even see it now. Okay, now I'm not. There you go, US Honda right here. Go ahead, agree. All right, let's go ahead. We can go by vehicle if you like. We can go ahead to Civic. Where did the Civic go? Should be somewhere here. It's a lot. Man, I think I missed it. Inside Odyssey, CD, Civic. There you go. This is without smart key. We don't have a smart key. There you go. Then let's go ahead, auto detect it, so it'll be faster. Put the ignition to switch it on. We got it on already, so press OK. And then there you go, 4th gen immobilizer. Press OK, and it will connect it for us. Then let's go ahead, go to key. And then we can add key, because we already have a key working. We're just gonna add a key. All right, turn off the ignition switch. All right, let's do that. And then turn on the ignition switch with the original key. Turn it on again. Then turn off the switch again. Turn on the switch with the new key. All right, let's put the new key in, then turn it on. All right, then turn off again. Then turn on the ignition switch without changing, which is the new key. Turn on, and then turn off the ignition switch again. Turn on the ignition switch. Immobilizer device indicator is off. Let's go check it. It's the green key. We don't see it, so it's off. So it's a yes. It asking us if it's off. It's a yes. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn on the ignition switch with the original key. So remove that. Put the original key that we have. Turn it on. There you go. Key registration has been completed. Turn off the ignition switch. Okay, then okay. Check all key, ensure everyone can start the engine. Okay. All right, let's start the engine with the original key. As you can see, it started, and then let's go ahead, remove that one, and then let's go ahead, start it with the new key. There you go, guys. That's how you program it. So that's program. This should be working too. let's go ahead. All right, go ahead. You can hear that. Close it. Let's go lock and unlock. And then we can do panic too. You can do this panic. Okay. Let's go ahead and unlock. Okay. All right, let's check the trunk. Check the trunk if it's working. The trunk's open. As you can see that, open, lock, then unlock. All right, guys. So that's working. Everything works fine. Lock the car. It beep. As you can see, it beep. Everything works. All right, guys. And that's how you program and cut the key for 2006 Honda Civic. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And go check out the Civic. This is a really cool car. Everybody like it. This is the best car ever, I think, for the Civic. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.